Good morning, student. In last period, study about the different life process in living organism. Most important life process in living organism, that is a reproduction. This reproduction life process occur in different living organism, from unicellular to multicellular living organism. There are two types of that reproduction: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. In case of asexual reproduction, there are different methods of asexual reproduction. In last period, we had studied about the binary fission, multiple fission. In binary fission, there are different types of that binary fission. That is known as simple binary fission, transfer binary fission, and longitudinal binary fission. Now, these binary fission occurs in unicellular living organism like amoeba, paramecium, euglena, and multiple fission is occurs in case of amoeba. In binary fission, two individuals are formed. In multiple fission, many individuals are formed. That is a method of asexual reproduction. Now start the another method of asexual reproduction. That is a fragmentation, budding method, regeneration method, vegetative propagation method, and spore formation method. These are different methods of asexual reproduction. We know that in asexual reproduction, only one individual involved in asexual reproduction, and on that individual to develop new organism, to form a new organism. That is a asexual reproduction. Now start the another method of asexual reproduction. Second method, that is known as fragmentation. Now this fragmentation method occurs in different unicellular and multicellular living organisms. Mostly this fragmentation method occurs in multicellular living organisms. For example, different types of algae, different types of algae, different types of bryophyta, for example Rixia, Markensia, these are known as bryophyta. And in that bryophyta, now fragmentation method is occurs. How this fragmentation method carried out in case of algae, in case of different bryophyta. Now, in case of algae, we know that these algae are growing only in water. Some of the algae are floating on surface of water. Some of the algae are floating in water, and some of the algae are attached to the substratum, mostly greenish in color. How the fragmentation is occurs in that algae? Fragmentation method occurs in case of Spirogyra. If we see the structure of the Spirogyra, now this Spirogyra is a green algae floating in a water, and structure of this Spirogyra like this under compound microscope, thread-like structure. If you take a single thread of that algae Spirogyra and observe under the microscope, structure of the Spirogyra like this. It is a multicellular. These are known as many cell. These are known as multicellular algae. These are many cells. How the fragmentation occurs in that? When condition become favorable and fully development of that algae, now thread of this algae are break down. Thread of algae are break down. And after breaking of this algae, each thread, each piece is known as fragment. Breaking of that algae. into many pieces. Each piece is known as fragment. And from that fragment, this piece known as fragment. From that fragment to develop new organism, new Spirogyra, new algae. From this piece is known as fragment. And from this fragment to develop, to form a new Spirogyra algae. This process is known as fragmentation process. It occurs in algae. It occurs in different bryophyta. From single living organism to develop a new organism, that is known as fragmentation. Now it occurs in different algae. This fragmentation methods also occurs in various types of bryophyta. For example, Rixia, Mycancia, these are known as different bryophyta. Now if we see the structure of Mycancia, it is a thallus-like body, thallus-like bryophyta, Mycancia. Small hair-like structure, that is known as rhizoids. Attachment of this thallus carried out by that rhizoid. Greenish in color, presence of midrib. How the fragmentation is occurs in that Mycancia? When fully development of that Mycancia bryophytes, the apical portion of this Mycancia detach, break, and after breaking of that apical portion and condition become favorable, now this apical portion develop into new Mycancia bryophytes. That is known as fragmentation. Means from that piece to develop new organism. That is a fragmentation. Now this fragmentation is a asexual reproduction, which are occurs in different bryophyta and different algae. Then second method of asexual reproduction, that is known as budding method. Budding method occurs in unicellular living organisms. Budding method occurs in multicellular living organisms. Unicellular living organism, for example, in case of yeast, yeast is a unicellular living organism. Hydra is a multicellular living organism. Budding method occurs in unicellular living organism and multicellular living organism. Now, if you see the structure of that yeast, yeast is a unicellular. If you take a baker yeast, pinch of this baker yeast added in lukewarm water. Mix this mixture and take a single drop of that lukewarm water of that mixture on a slide and observe under compound microscope. If you observe under the compound microscope, many yeast are observed under that microscope. It is a single cell, single nucleus and various cell organelles. That is a yeast. How the budding method is occurs in that yeast? When condition become favorable, sufficient supply of oxygen and food material of that yeast, there on surface, on body of that yeast, small outgrowth is formed. Small outgrowth is formed on surface of that body, small outgrowth. Then those nucleus present in that yeast, now this nucleus is divided into two nuclei. Firstly, nucleus is divided into two nuclei. One of the nucleus passes into the bud and some cytoplasm passes in that bud. Then condition become favorable and detachment of that bud from parent cell of that yeast. Now this bud develop into new organism, new yeast cell. That is a budding method. Those small outgrowth is formed on body of that yeast that is a bud, and from that buds to develop a new organism. That is known as budding method. It is a very simple method. Then this budding method is occurs in multicellular living organism. For example, in case of hydra, if you see the structure of this hydra growing in a water, cylindrical in structure. Lower end of this hydra attached to the substratum, and upper end of this hydra presence of single mouth and 10 tentacles. These are known as tentacles and single mouth. And mouth is surrounded by tentacles. Those microorganisms present in water. This microorganism is a food material of that hydra. And by that tentacles, now capturing of this food material, capturing of microorganisms